recent case came out, and it's important for those of us who practice economic damages, lost profits, specifically in Florida. So I wanted to give an update. I got wind of this February 16th. Case is WL Alliance. The defendants are Precision Testing Group and Glenn Stuckey. There is actually a Supreme Court decision on that I think everyone would want to read who does damages. I sent this off to some lawyers. The feedback that I got from them was more on the procedural. If you read through the case, there's a count 2 that deals with getting an equitable accounting. And there's some legal nuances into that that I think experts should be aware of in procedures and rules. Why should you be aware of it? Because when you're unaware, you're nervous, and that can make you look nervous. But also, you just want to understand everything going on, so that way you can walk in there as the expert. But more importantly, what I did learn in reading this case, the defendants put up an argument that there was a contract dispute, and it was an at-will contract. Basically, the two parties were in a business together, and they provided engineering or some sort of services, right? And defense said, look, contract is at will, there's no guarantee. Well, the court came back, and the court said no, and they based that upon facts and circumstances. Facts and circumstances, they had testimony talking about the need ongoing. And I started reading all of this, and I said, well, yeah, that makes sense. And I got a look from some people like, what do you mean that makes sense? Well, guys, when you're doing a damages, right? And again, you can't do desktop work, desktop valuation. You should look at the economy and the industry, understand the constraints. Remember Porter's 5 forces? I talked about that economic book before. If you're going to do a damages, you should understand Porter's 5 forces and discuss those things. You should be aware of the economy and the industry. So this is where having a valuation background can help enhance a lost profits analysis. Little bit of update on this. Just wanted to give it to everyone. If anyone needs more, sign up for our newsletters, The Insight.